I go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
Since people bless up my viewers, bless up my subscribers, I don't know, say it's coming on to the end of the year right about now. Okay, I don't know, say today is what, the 31st, so tonight I watch night and thing, I understand. Some people right about now, you know, as I seen the fire there, they were blaze. That's the home, the headquarters of the game and them of the bottom and them in Jamaica, the J flag, and as I can see now, the home the people was, you know what I mean, set a blaze, be a fire and thing over there, and you know what I mean, so they must have them don't know how the fire start, and them don't know if it's some electrical problem or if they need to cook some food or if somebody set the home on fire. But there's a way the gays them deal, whether lesbian, bat, gay man, homosexual, whatever, you understand them home that day, and you know what I mean, we tell them in the people certain things where Bible now. You know what I mean? The Bible go against, and as we newlink say, and I don't respond who want like newlink, who want rate newlink, but I no support no body man, I no support no lesbian, straight up talk, you understand? And you know what I mean? Destruction and go take them thing the people, because the Bible tell you about judgment and them thing, they say fire and brimstone, and see we gotta show them signs, say it's 2019, whether if somebody light or if electrical problem, it wait until almost the year finish. Fi catch fire and me so them man them have to run to save them life people, because when them siblings them turn fool. So just imagine if somebody outside a wait to kill them. If them they chop over there and lock up over there, now them a go come out. Them yes them a run with all bag pan head and a scream like them a girl, and 1% now go on down there. Well people, you know, but them you know get the news that if the whole place catch a fire, because you don't know say a Kingston that day, you understand, in a new Kingston, and you don't know say them a fire brigade will go come on the scene very quick and think, you know what I mean? But people, you tell the youth them say, yo, them feel live clean. God no support nastiness, God no support them the thing there. Zine, God no wants to them the something there. So once and them a live the wrong way, the bad way, and it's a sad way, them gone. Who have nothing good to say about them, because the straight people have nothing good to say about them, say, yeah, because most people, when if you check out the video in the people, most people on Facebook, most people are say, look, sir, me just sorry say, I just in the place catch a fire, me that more hear the news say, them burn out too, look on that, how them feeling of themselves, you know, say the world against, you get me, I say, no, nobody gonna tell me nothing, the newlink, this and that, people are them life to live, have a life to live, have a life to live. Have a life to live. What kind of life that I live? What kind of life that I live? As me tell you already, feel a woman's skin and look on a man's skin. Two different skin. Zine, God make two different somebody together. If God did one man, a man, God did make Adam or Adam, you would make Eve with Adam. So God has shown. Well, people, them home torch and fire. Yeah, man, fire burn it, people. And you see in a video in Newlink, I said. So my viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing about Newlink. They are from Newlink production, and you don't know, you have to give God thanks to life, you know what I mean? Today is the what, as we tell you, the 31st, and you know what I mean? Many people now live to this day. So give God thanks, give God praises, and you know what I mean? Who are go church for the watch night, who are going to town, who are stay home, whatever you do for your watch night, you know what I mean? Just have it blessed, and you know what I mean? Newlink, I wish all of you a happy new year when it comes, man, and you know, for me still you go up on the beach, go got some fireworks and things, drink to beer and thing, you know what I mean? For the new year still you know, still giving God thanks and praises as what I always do. Read a scripture and thing a day. You get me answer people, but that's my prayer for the new year still, and you know what I mean? Just giving thanks for life, same way. So my viewers and my subscribers, much love, much respect. This is Newlink from Newlink Production again, people, and stay blessed, stay love, stay loyal. Don't know the thing that we so attack them Newlink. Big up. Ratings up, enough love.
What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.